guys, it's your girl here, Everything Ella Pro, and welcome to today's video. And in this video, it's going to be not really a long one, hopefully, but I have no idea. But today I'm going to show you my production process of how I create and edit one of my professional songs that I make or something. But I just also decided that I wanted to film the process to teach you all how easily inconvenient it is to be able to do it yourself. So the products that I'm using today are a MacBook Pro. So you will need a Mac for doing on Garageband, but there's probably also stuff kind of very similar to Garageband that's for Windows. And I do have Windows, and I know Windows are so much more affordable, and most of you guys probably have them if you can't afford a Mac, which I barely could even. But there's also libraries and places that have MacBooks as well. So grab a MacBook and sit down with me and learn. So first, I'm going to find my projects just to play what I've made already. Let's try recents. Recent. So here's my project 11. So project 11 is my project, my most recent one. And I'll play some of the song I wrote, okay? I'm kind of shy to do this because one, I don't like to play my music and listen to it and react to it as I'm listening to it, filming it. I'm very shy with these things. Just play it right now, and I'm going to play what I've done so far. Now, my pitch isn't perfect because I don't got auto-tune. I just use like effects like dance vocal. So let's hear it. That's very pitchy because I haven't got auto-tune on that. I don't know how to mess around with that. But this last part is really cool, and so is my other verse I'm about to show you. You ready? Here we go! Whoa, never know just nobody. You'll be bleeding on the floor. I couldn't find in you, you blew your shot. I ain't stable now. You put a hole in my heart. I used to love you, but now you don't know when the revenge will start. Never trust nobody. Anyways, I'm going to do how to do all these things that I do. Maybe some of you can't sing. Maybe try auto-tune. So what I'm going to do now is open GarageBand and open a new project. Hello. Ella, is your brain on? And the dog wants to escape my room. Who wouldn't while I'm in my recording process? Who wouldn't? It's pretty hectic and sweaty in here for me, basically. Whew, there we go. So you may see something like empty project like this. Click it. Make sure you click on an empty project. Click continue or choose or whatever. And I'm going to click, this part didn't change. I'm going to click software instrument. I like to make the beats before I sing over it because I haven't wrote any lyrics down right now. I literally have no lyrics to sing right now. I'm not even sure if this tutorial is going to go good because it's probably already boring. But I have no lyrics, nothing, nada, zilch, zitch, zip, nada, nothing. I already said nada before, but like nothing. So what I do is like to improvise. In acting, I'm really bad at improvising, but in singing and music, I can make a song in no time. So let's continue. What I like to do is first, I like to start out with this thing. It's called the loops area. This little loop-de-loo is the loops. And there's always classic electric piano is always there. I ignore it unless I need it, but I don't. So I'm going to go into instruments and beats. I'm just going to find a beat before I do everything. So I kind of want to make a pop style song today. So to make that kind of stuff, I need to find some rhymes. So, and a genre of the song. This is like a kind of long process, so I'm going to have to figure it out right now before I select the beats. So I want kind of an upbeat, fun, maybe serious song. I'm not sure what I want. So let's see. Let's choose a topic that I want to do. Love is kind of outdated. So maybe money. I don't know. I love money. Everyone loves that moolah. That moolah, you had nothing. So let's see. I want that money. I don't care about you, honey. I'm just going around getting that money, money. I don't care. I don't care as long as I get my money. So I want the beginning to be like this. I don't really care what you gonna say, 'cause I'm just gonna do things my own way. Yeah, perfect. People can interpret things like this differently. I don't know, like, okay, so what was my first line? I don't really care what you gonna say. I don't really care what you're gonna say. What, I like to write this down just in case I don't forget it. What you're gonna say. I'm just, I don't really care what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. Yeah, I'm just gonna do things, not things, things my own way. Anyways, here we go. First kind of line completed. See how it sounds. I don't really care what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. Hey guys, and welcome to this video part of the narration. I'm doing a voiceover right now, so be nice. So right now the video is in fast full speed mode, and I'm just speeding up the clip now because I don't want you guys to see a 15-minute process in like a maybe 10, 12, 14-minute video or something like that, you know. Most is trying to make this 15 minutes at the most. So yeah, I'm just finding the lyrics for verse 1. Then somehow the chorus comes naturally because that's how kind of improvising singer I am. And yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I don't really give a damn on what you're gonna say. Okay. I don't really care on what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. I don't really care if you don't like it, 'cause you're not really invited. So you can just so you can just leave and walk away. 'Cause I don't really give a damn if you stay. Yeah, if you stay. Or if you stay. All I get that money, money, yeah. I'm only here for the money, money, yeah. Yeah, something like that. If you're gonna stay, right? I don't really give a damn if you're going to stay. This is so good. I'm about to cry. Just leave and walk away because I don't really give a damn if you're gonna stay. Okay, that's all I need to do. The first verse is perfect. Ready? It's fine. I think this beat is good. I don't know, something like that. Whatever. So let's do that. Let's put it on. Let's put it on. So I'm gonna drag the beat by just holding my mouse and dragging it on here. I'm gonna go to the top part, not to the bottom, because you see the bottom, there's two different things. There's this, and the same thing comes out with your mouse. This and this. This one is going to make it thinner like that, make it customized however you like it. This one's going to drag it out like that. So you want to drag your loop out like that. Okay? Once it gets to the end. And now I can know what I can work with. Okay? Then after I get that, to make sure you don't do this kind of stuff. Okay? If it's yellow, it's going to repeat that same thing over again. Anyways, so now I'm going to add some synths. Let's do that. So I'm going to teach you how to add your microphone onto it. So once I got your beats, boom, chicka boom, chicky boom, then you're going to go to this plus sign right here. Going to click under choose a track type. No more, do not click software instrument. Click record using a microphone. C, and you can click I want to hear the instruments as I play, or you might not. If you don't have headphones, I recommend turning this off, or it will get interference with. Let's click create. Ooh, I can hear myself. Hello, I'm right here. I can hear myself. Woo. Now I'm going to sing over it like this. So once I got a new thing, I like to always use this kind of voice effects. So there's a voice. Click voice over here. There's bright, classic, compressed, dance, edge, fuzz, narration, natural telephone tracking tube, experimental. Ooh, let's click that. Deeper, delay, helium, megaphone, monster, and robot. Deeper is horrible. It makes your beautiful voice sound like a man's voice that doesn't have any kind of tune in his head at all. So let's continue. Here we go. I'm so scared. So I'm going to press record. Here we go. Watch me mess up this first thing. Making music is both trial and error. So you're gonna mess up, or maybe your first time's great. Sometimes you're gonna give up. Sometimes you're gonna come back and be like, I have an idea. It's a very hard process. But yeah, let's get started. I could do it. I don't really care what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. I don't care if you don't like it, 'cause you're not really invited. So you can just leave and walk away, 'cause I don't give a damn if you're gonna stay. Here we go. Let's see how that sounds. It sounds really bad. Let's see. Ready? I don't really care what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. I don't care if you don't like it, 'cause you're not really invited. So you can just leave and walk away, 'cause I don't give a damn if you're gonna stay. That was so beautiful, everyone. Welcome to my musical world. Hey guys, so this is another voice narration. I am now catching up on speed, what's going on, literally on speed. This is in fast forward motion. This is an hour-long process of me making the full song, actually just the verse and the chorus, just the full verse and chorus. It took an hour for me, and it's turned into a 1 minute and 30-second speed up clip. Hope you enjoy it and keep on watching. I'm gonna add some music in the background. Okay, so what you've all probably been waiting for, or maybe not, or maybe just me, because I'm finally finished with this whole process. I am going to play my final song for you. So let's hear it. Here we go. I'm about to play it. Ready, guys? I don't know what to say. This took so long. This took an hour and 30 minutes to do for me. Maybe actually 2 hours for me to do. And I'm so excited to share with you guys. So here we go. I don't really care what you're gonna say. I'm just gonna do things my own way. I don't care if you don't like it, 'cause you're not really invited. So you can just leave and walk away, So yeah, that's just my first verse and my chorus. My chorus is, as long as I get paid my money, 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 I don't care about you, honey, honey, honey. And my verse is basically everything before that. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, heart.